Fruits and Figs here. Today I want to talk about labeling your fruit trees. Let me show you a way to use pressure-sensitive aluminum labels and simple metal punches that you can buy at Harbor Freight for under $10 to create wonderful labels for your fruit trees. Let's take a look. So here is a pressure-sensitive aluminum label that I made by punching with steel punches, one letter at a time, that I got from Harbor Freight. You can see this is nice and deep, and it's going to last a long time. I did have a label on here that I used with a pen, but you know, it's just not as professional looking, not as nice. So you can make these simple labels using a punch, a hammer on a cutting board like I did, and create wonderful labels for your fruit trees. These labels will help you identify the variety you have. Here, I've just planted this Hardy Chicago this year. You can see it's nice and vigorous, doing well, but I probably wouldn't be able to tell it apart from another fig that I have if I hadn't have a label on it. Here's another fig, this one, Violet de Bordeaux. And you can see that metal tag, nice and deeply lettered using those punches. I just take the wire that comes along with the set of tags and thread it through the two holes in the tag, and then twist it around the two wires together over one of the branches. Works great and will help you to remember which fig trees you have for a long time. So let me show you what I've been using. I bought these at Harbor Freight, 1/8 inch steel stamping set. And they really work great. It comes with all the letters and the numbers. And here are the tags I got off of Amazon, Impress-O tags. There's a number of companies that make these aluminum tags. You get the tags and the wires in the box. And then I just use a hammer and a cutting board. You'll see from the time-lapse video that it works pretty well. You just lay the tag down, pull out the letters that you need, and then you can stamp them one at a time. And it helps if you do multiple tags together of the same variety. It saves time because you're using the same letters over and over again. So if you have multiple trees of the same variety, I'd recommend that you do those tags together. Well, that's it. Pretty simple, and it works fine. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video on labeling your fruit trees, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. For now, this is Fruits and Figs signing off.